Set to launch in summer 2026, the Nike Air Max Uptempo Derek Fisher revival is packed with legacy, performance, and retro flair. Crisp white leather pairs with deep purple overlays in a bold two-tone scheme, while gold accents on the eyelets, pull tabs, and swooshes give off championship vibes. The full-length visible air unit and signature Uptempo midsole or outsole combo offer trusted comfort and court-ready function. Inspired by Fisher's on-court legacy, this release brings back early 2000s energy with updated edge. Whether you're a Lakers diehard or just nostalgic for classic basketball silhouettes, the return of the retro crown logo on the heel and Fisher's signature style delivers a powerful throwback. From the hardwood to the streets, it's built to turn heads and dominate rotations. Keep an eye out for official release details. This sneaker comeback is primed for spotlight moments.